guys, we're here at Belmond Cap Juluca on Maunday's Bay.
Cap Juluca has long been one of the Caribbean's top hotels. It is one of the hotels that put Anguilla on the map for luxury tourism in the late 1980s. Today, Belmond pushed it to a whole different level. Let's take a look at Belmond Cap Juluca. So this is Maunday's Club right on the edge of Maunday's Bay. This pool area goes down into this beautiful second pool area. It's just stunning.
It smells so good.
How was the pool?
It was really, really nice.
Refreshing?
Yeah.
You have guest reception in here, Maunday's Club, guest lounge, library.
Oh my god!
Old record player.
Look at this office in here. It's so nice.
Wow, it's really very posh. I would come in here and work all day. The balls. I love all of the touches.
Look at the little pot.
That is so cool.
Hello.
Oh, look at these maps of the Caribbean. West Indies. Zemi Boutique. Hi. And we're taking the buggy. I'm so excited. Ah, this is so
Oh my gosh.
cool. Wow, what year is this from?
Oh my
Dude, I think we gotta stick our head out the window.
Go.
Wow, that is really like old-fashioned stick shift there. Look at that. Bye, buggy. The tiles feel amazing underfoot. All of these tiles have been handmade. They're like leather. They're so soft. The level of detail is just so pretty. Lighting right behind the bed. B&O music player. These tassels, this means make up my room and this means do not disturb. They don't just have a mini bar, it is a full bar area. And this is lightly chilled. This hot water kettle. I love these glasses. Tea. Fridge in here. This is so cool. Wow. Bathtub with a window to the sea. I can see why LVMH would want this property. It's very stylish. What's up the stairs? Wow, you can see everything from up here. The view is breathtaking. Okay, so this is a deluxe king on Maunday's Bay. Big king bed, flat screen TV, desk and writing area, and then the bathroom is gorgeous. Oversized, the full-length dressing mirror. We have the vanity over here beneath the Moroccan style door frame. Toilet in here, and what's really cool is when I first walked in this room, this lighting just automatically lit up. So if you go to the bathroom in the night, for example, that just lights up automatically for you. Moroccan style tiles, bathtub, walk-in shower, and outdoor solarium. Very elegant and posh. right, now we're on our way to Cap Shack.
Lunch.
Yay! We're here with our camera-shy bartender, making a Barbie original.
Lime, some vodka, Aperol, which is a bitter.
Oh, yum.
Matches my phone. It's so good. It tastes like fresh. I can't even explain it. Taste it.
Lunchtime at Cap Shack. View is so pretty. Lobster wraps.
Fresh lobster.
Really fresh. We're gonna finish this and see you guys over at water sports. Okay. Two people, this isn't gonna work. I'm scared, I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna fall. Ow. Wow. So pretty. All right. Water sports, now on to tennis.
Let's go play some tennis.
Yee! So we are about to meet Anguilla's most popular tennis instructor, Sean. People come from all over
The property and the world. Fly private jets.
to play with Sean here at Belmond Cap Juluca. People come from all over the world to play with you.
That's what I've been told.
We want to learn the proper forms to basically beat Serena.
Does this look professional?
Do a little bit of
Mini
mini tennis.
tennis.
Okay.
All you want to do is slightly open racket face. Right? That's it. Nice.
Woohoo!
Every time you hit the ball, I want you to go back to your left hand. Like hold on.
That's good, Louise. Hey, look at that.
Not Serena yet, but
So like, give it a week. Give it a week.
One.
Ew! I can see why he's the best. He's like turning out pros here.
watch me next year.
Thanks so much for having us.
Yeah.
Pleasure.
Welcome to the wonderful world of Belmond Cap Juluca.
Pimms is like one of Anguilla's signature fine dining restaurants for dinner. And Pimms leads into Chips, a great spot for cocktails and lunch. And this mirror has become iconic in Anguilla. Looks out over Maunday's Bay right here. Beautiful dining location.
We have a tuna tartare, Nikkei tuna tartare. We use the word Nikkei because we use Japanese techniques with Peruvian ingredients. Mahi mahi ceviche.
Mahi mahi ceviche.
That is probably the ceviche is the signature dish of Peruvian cuisine.
Every bottle
Yeah.
has a soft spot. In this case it's here normally a line, and this case is here. If you touch it, you feel it. You feel it? No.
Let's look. I see the bottle joins here.
Exactly. So basically soft spot is gonna be here. And you want to eat this side.
Oh my god.
Have you ever had guests like where this goes totally wrong, like
No.
really bad? No.
No?
I'm just,
So I'll be the first. Okay, the idea is to hit this?
no.
No. I am so unqualified to do this. I just go?
Yes.
Woo! Oh my gosh, you cut it! That's crazy. Cheers, Louise.
This is amazing. I love this.
It's been so much fun. All right, guys, so that is the experience at Belmond Cap Juluca. Today was a really good day.
I loved it. I would so do this day over again. It was amazing.
Yeah.
I loved it.
I mean, look how sunburnt we are.
Yeah.
That's the sign of a
was my
good day.
favorite.
This was so much fun. Huge shout out to Ivan for hanging out with us all day. Belmond Cap Juluca, back
It was
on
amazing.
top. Yeah.
Wonderful. The wonderful world of Belmond Cap Juluca.
Amazing experience. See you guys next time. Cheers to Belmond Cap Juluca.